Imagine waking up to the sound of gentle waves and the endless expanse of the Pacific Ocean stretching before you. This is the daily reality for the residents of the Makena Residence, a stunning contemporary home nestled on the beautiful island of Maui, Hawaii. Built on a double lot in a prestigious resort area, the Makena Residence is a testament to modern design and sustainable living. Designed with comfort and functionality in mind, the Makena Residence boasts 2 floors, each catering to specific needs. The lower level offers a haven of tranquility with bedrooms and a compact kitchen, perfect for casual meals or late-night snacks. Ascend the sleek staircase, and you'll be greeted by the heart of the home, the upper floor. Here, the master suite beckons with its spa-like bathroom and breathtaking ocean vistas. The expansive living room seamlessly flows into the main kitchen and dining area, creating a perfect space for entertaining and family gatherings. Built with low-maintenance materials like concrete, cypress wood, and steel, the house is designed to withstand the challenges of the Hawaiian climate, including strong winds and salty air, but beauty and functionality go hand in hand. Skylights and expansive windows bathe the interior in natural light, creating a dynamic interplay of light and shadow throughout the day. Elegantly designed vertical wooden louvers not only separate spaces but also filter the sunlight, creating a warm and inviting ambience. Sustainability is at the heart of the Makena Residence's design. The architecture prioritizes cross-ventilation, allowing cool Hawaiian breezes to flow through the house and minimize the need for air conditioning. Additionally, a highly insulated building envelope and strategically placed windows control heat gain, further reducing energy consumption. Rainwater is captured and managed through 2 narrow copper mesh curtains, while a photovoltaic system on the roof harnesses the power of the sun, minimizing the home's reliance on the power grid. These eco-conscious features, combined with the home's overall design, have earned the Makena Residence the prestigious LEED Silver certification. The Makena Residence is more than just a house. It's a sanctuary, a place where the lines between indoor and outdoor living seamlessly blur. Step out onto the expansive lanai, and you'll be greeted by breathtaking panoramic views of the ocean. Imagine enjoying a cup of coffee as the sun rises over the horizon or indulging in a romantic dinner under a star-filled sky.